try something new today. I'm Rob Snow. I'm just showing you an introduction to my video, helping a friend do some animal caricatures, and I wanted to try something a little bit different, so this is a new style. So I'm just going to show you how it happened and how I got around to finishing it.
Welcome to another Rob Art video. Before it begins, let me remind you to kindly subscribe to the channel and press the notification bell. This is so you know when a new video has been uploaded. Also, if you enjoy this video, please press the thumbs up icon to like it, and consider leaving a comment to let me know what you think. And finally, don't forget to share the video on several networks, as well as follow me on these social media sites. Thank you for watching and enjoy the video. Okay, so what I'm doing is I'm building up the the digital pencil sketch on the actual canvas on Photoshop instead of my normal route, which is via pencil and scanning. Now I'm trying to just basically fix the actual shape of the back end, which was a bit odd. After the base tone, I'm starting to fill in the details, but you'll notice what I'm doing is I'm making it a lot more rough and fresh. This is using a set of brushes by Kyle. If you know Photoshop well, you'll know Kyle. And what I wanted to do is give it some more kind of a cartoony, instant, fresh feel to it, and that's why the brush strokes are very, very strong and vivid. And every so often you'll notice I put up the sketch so I can understand where I'm supposed to be drawing. I've put that on an overlay mode above the painting to allow me to see it, and you'll notice all the colouring and everything I'm doing is taken from a photograph which is off screen, and I just basically sample it, and then I choose colours via this colorless adaptation inside Photoshop, which I found very useful and clever plugin. Now, at some points in this, I'm painting away and I realise that the actual shape of their body is not in accordance to the actual picture. Dickens, who I'm painting, is actually a lot taller dog, and so what I had to do, and you'll notice here, is after I've done this trolley part, I cut the head up and the leg and push them down and up to give them a little bit more space, and then obviously had to patch in the additional parts to fill it in. And then from that point on, I quickly zoomed through the legs and the trolley just to finish it off, and it was quite a quick process. It only took me 3 solid hours of painting. I quite enjoyed it. It's a little bit rough and there's still some work on it, but as I said, this is my first attempt at doing everything directly into Photoshop. I usually plan things out very carefully and want to work it all out in a meticulous way. And this is the very, very first time I've actually drawn something from scratch straight into Photoshop. I think I did quite a good job, and at the end of the day we have a good caricature of Dickens.